the bed. So, 5 and the monkey jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. And Mommy called the doctor. And the doctor said, "No one monkey jumping on the bed." One.
4.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No, that's not right."
It's not?
Mm,
You've been turning the pages a little fast. Is that what you mean?
yeah.
Are you at one little monkey?
One little monkey. And nobody. The end.